did you hope to achieve? Dad said he has her. Everyone is good now, we've all thought it through. You couldn't ever show me though. Talk loud about what you do. Oh well, it's gone. What a shame, so long. Gone again, no harm. Maybe this time we'll let it say no. Think on this past year, consequences of mistakes that you made, friends you thought would last a lifetime. How quickly